Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe, peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the $1 Trillion Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Riches. It is the weekend. We will be covering Nvidia on this episode. And I'm going to give you the levels for next week. And I'm going to see if this is a good buy. Well, it is 16% off of the most valuable company in the world. So do you think it's a good buy? Let's get into it. All right. First thing we want to do is put the all-time high on here. There we go. And then after that, we're going to go to the line chart and we're going to look where did price have a big reaction. And that's how we're going to get our levels. Once we get that, we're just going to roll it down to the nearest 10 cents, y'all. All right. Now, last time we came here, we sold off crazy. So, definitely going to put a level right there. Let me go ahead and roll that down. Let's see. Yeah, we got a lot of, it's been consolidating a lot, y'all. It's been consolidating a lot. Let's see. Alright, we're going to go to the daily after this level right here. Alright, next, let's go on the daily. You know it's been so choppy. You got to go on a smaller chart to find some more levels. You do get some downside. You see last time we came here, it bounced. So may get a bounce right here as well. There we go. It's right on this level. Yeah, a lot of these levels are very close to each other because this thing has been consolidating for so long. But we still gonna find them, y'all. Still gonna find the levels. So Nvidia, the most valuable company in the world. The king of AI, Jensen Huang, Did I already do Nvidia? Am I tripping? Wait a minute. I already did Nvidia. No, I did SPY and the Qs. I think I just did Nvidia. Hold on, bro. Did I do Nvidia already? No, I didn't. No, I did QQQ. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Excuse me. I was tripping. Thought I just did it. No. Oh, man. I'm tripping, y'all. I'm tripping. I didn't do Nvidia yet. I just did the Qs. Alright. Back. Excuse me, y'all. You know, doing these little quick shows, I'll be forgetting where I'm at because I'm producing everything. So it's a lot of work. So, but back to the charts anyway. All right, here we go. Let's see. Yeah, a lot of these levels are very close, but as That's what happens during consolidation. All right. So here we go. Nvidia. On Friday, it was up almost 1%. Thursday as well. Wednesday was the best day in a long time for all the $1 trillion tickers. And on Wednesday, Nvidia was up 5.59%. After this fall, on Tuesday, y'all. Tuesday. Remember, it was a 4-day week. It was only a 4-day week because of the holiday. But we did come down here to these September lows. It looks like we were pennies away from these September lows. And once it did come down here to these September lows, it did bounce. So let's keep that in mind. Okay, current price 177.39. To the downside support, we got 175.20, 172.70, 170.90, and then a weekly level of 167.50. To the upside resistance, this is very close, but I'm going to just say it anyway. 177.80 followed by 178.70. Weekly level of 180.20, 181.50, 183.20. All right, so that's what we got on the levels. Let's check out the SMAs. So the 20, the 50, and the 200 is coming up on the 50 right now. Let's see if this 50 SMA turns into, if we can break through it, or is it going to act as resistance? We'll see, but we are very close to that 50 SMA. All right, let's check out the smart money concepts. We don't have anything close until we get to 181.55. That's going to be our smart money concepts resistance zone. So that's that. And let's check out the Algo, see if we have any recent signals. No, the last signal was here at the end of February. So let's go on a smaller time frame and see if we can find a closer signal, more recent signal here. We did have a buy at 5 a.m. on Tuesday. Actually, we have a sell right here. We had a sell at 1 a.m. on Thursday, and then it reversed out of that. But since it was at 1 a.m., you weren't able to get into the trade anyway. So yeah, that's what I got on Nvidia, y'all. Hope that makes sense. And these beats are brought to you by Matt Rich's 510 AI Music. If you know any singers or rappers that need beats, I got them for the low. Next company we'll be looking at is Apple. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.